I'm gonna get that toy. I'll get it. Alright. Here we are at the experimental culture tank. As you can see, it's no longer an aquarium. I needed to put this in because it was just too many mosquitoes around here already. And I wasn't sure what was going on. I think the tank itself busted a seal, so I needed something that wouldn't. Birdies! No, can't see them. And the fruit trees seem to be doing pretty good. And these guys are like a resurrection. Clematis or whatever I think they are. Like, they sprouted off these dead looking branches, which I think is so cool. Like, cause it looks dead and then boom, it's alive. The grass does seem to be pit bull height though. I almost lose the dog. This outdoor experiment has been going really well. There is still 2 rice fish in it. Blam. Get your room. Good boy. Me too.